Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw in Figma. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So this is the background color, right? What you want to do is you want to create a frame, right? And then let's say you want to customize it by drawing this frame. You want to hover it over this icon, and there are a lot of brushes that you can use. I would just use this one, a pencil, and you can draw whatever you want. Usually to design, what you want to do is you want to draw it in the app, like a mobile app. Let's say on iPad or iPhone, you can use Apple Pencil to draw it, which would make it easier. But on MacBook, this is how you would do it. So if you find it useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.